Hi, I'm Teddy Cosco from Cast and Iron. I love camping, cooking, and fly fishing in the great outdoors. Today I'm going to be talking about Leatherman's 4 best multi-tools for camping. So let's talk about why you'd want to bring a multi-tool when you're camping. Even if you're truck camping, you don't have to bring an entire toolbox. This is particularly true when you're backpacking. Having a compact tool set in your pocket can help get you out of some sticky situations, and believe you me, they will happen. I'll show you some of the typical uses for these multi-tools and a few uses you might not expect. So here are the top 4 multi-tools for camping. We're going to start off with a tool that was made for the outdoors, the Leatherman Signal. The unique tool set was designed with the outdoors in mind for general outdoor activities and a few survival situations. A few key features of the Signal include the ferro rod, which you can use to strike a stove, the pliers, which you can use to pull pin bones out of fish, the knife for cutting fishing line. The hammer can be used to hammer in tent pegs, and in a pinch, I've even used it to make pesto. The next on our list is the Arc, the latest and greatest in multi-tool technology, which means it can handle virtually anything you throw at it in a camping situation. Some of the key features of the Arc include the knife, which you can use to cut steak, the saw for cutting through a small branch, the pliers for grabbing the lid of a hot kettle, and a can opener. Because seriously, who actually brings a can opener camping? The next multi-tool we're going to talk about is a lightweight option. If you're looking to shave a few ounces off your backpacking setup, the Skeletal CX is for you. The Skeletal CX has all the essential tools and comes in at just 5 ounces. Some of the key features of the Skeletal CX include the bit driver for adjusting a camp stove, the knife for cutting cord, and the pliers for adjusting your camp gear. Let's talk about the smallest multi-tool that we recommend for camping, the Free T4. This is a great option to keep in your pocket when you're backpacking or when you're car camping. The key features of the T4 include the scissors for opening a little snack, the tweezers for pulling out a splinter, and the bottle opener for cracking open a cold one. Hopefully this helps showcase some of the uses for a multi-tool when you're out camping. Leave a comment below, let us know which multi-tool you take out camping, and we'll see you next time.